did save a lot of money. Singapore quoted me $10,000 and this whole thing just cost me $1,200.
So I've got a little wall here. I'm thinking of putting in a Murphy bed in this space. And I went to a few Singapore companies and they're quoting me close to $10,000. So I found a company on Tao Bao which helped me design. They even did renders and pictures, and you know, I sent them my my specifications, including that beam up there, and they're making me a Murphy bed and shipping it to Singapore. It's pretty cool. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so stuff has arrived. I've got my dad behind me. He's a bit shy, so he's hiding behind my head. They come in little boxes. There's a bit of dents through shipping, so I do expect a bit of damage, but that is expected when you buy some stuff from places like Tao Bao. So I'm going to open up everything. These things come without instructions, so you have to figure out and put them together, or probably engage a handyman like me. No. Or probably engage a handyman to fix them up for you. Let's do the unboxing. There's no instruction. Everything it comes in little boxes like that. Step one is to unpack everything. We've got all the components. That is the carcass. This is a door. And how you tell it's a door? There are these holes at the back. This is where the hinges live. This is a side piece, the one with the holes. This has no holes, it's flat, it's rectangular. There are no mounting holes. So this is the back piece, and it should just fit inside this like that nicely. There you go. With all the componentry. My dad is a very neat person. He set up one room as a workshop and the other room as a carpentry studio. That's office stuff. Yeah. So I was worried that when they shipped it, it would damage my corners. But check it out, they're quite smart. They actually have corner protectors. Oh, look at that. It's a bit of damage in the corner. But I think this goes to the skirting, so not a problem. Let's see this side. Looks like the corner protectors did its job. There's no damage over there. Oh, it looks very good. So firstly, I'm quite impressed with the quality. This is actually plywood, it's not particle board. If you look at the side, it's quite high density. You can actually look at the lines and the grains. It's pretty cool. This is why I like installing Tao Bao furniture. It's like a puzzle. It gives you a sense of satisfaction that installing a normal furniture doesn't. Anyway, I saw a QR code here, and all the pieces have QR codes, right? I was wondering, I was like, what are they? I'm going to whip out my camera, I'm going to scan them and see what it does. Let's check that out. Okay, right there. Whoa, look at that. Okay, so it tells you that this belongs to the back. This is the back panel. And, well, you can actually exploded view, wireframe. Wow, you see I can actually expand all the pieces. This gives me actually a very good idea how the pieces fit. With Tao Bao fasteners, you have two types. So this goes into the flat plane, somewhere there. And this one will go into another plank, and it goes to the top. And this goes to lock it in. When you're setting up something that big, always get someone to help you. Okay, it's almost impossible to do it one person. Okay.
And then one on the bottom there.
Oh, okay. Be underneath, out of sight lah.
And then this one bottom here lah.
Yep. Okay.
As you can see, the product is really close to the computer design and I'm actually quite happy with it. So my thoughts on this thing, you can try, go ahead. There are services out there that put together Tao Bao furniture, but if you're thinking of doing it yourself, it does take a bit of a learning curve. It is not that easy. I did save a lot of money. Singapore quoted me $10,000 and this whole thing just cost me $1,200. So if you think it's worth the effort, do give it a shot. And if you like that video, like, share and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.